my mother fought with the entire family to let me go. And if she had not put her foot down and say, I don't care, but I'm going to let my daughter go and pursue this opportunity, I don't think I would have been doing what I'm doing right now. Hello, my name is Aisha Amin and I am a Fulbright alum. I'm currently the founder and CEO of Betak Challenging Taboos. Betak is a women-led, youth-led, grassroots non-profit organization working for women's access to their sexual and reproductive health and rights in Pakistan. I was born and raised in Kotri, Jamshoro. I did my initial schooling from Hyderabad. I then pursued a bachelor's in business administration from ISRA University, Hyderabad, and then an MBA from Iran University. And then I went on the Fulbright program and did my master's in social policy from the University of Pennsylvania. Going on Global UGrad is something that inspired me to apply for the Fulbright program because I had seen the classroom culture. I had seen the approach to education that United States has. And so I was eager to go on a Fulbright and access more of those resources that a classroom in US provides. So during my Fulbright, I researched on women's access to their reproductive health in South Asia. And I could not find a lot of data on this subject, especially like Pakistan-specific data. That made me very curious on learning more about the subject. So when I came back to Pakistan, I started doing focus group discussions just to understand the needs and challenges of women when it comes to their reproductive health. And that's when Betak was actually born, because these FGDs soon became safe spaces for women, because Betak is an Urdu word which means a sitting or gathering of people. Ever since then, Betak has been involved in doing these community Betaks on menstrual health, reproductive health, family planning, bodily autonomy, gender-based violence in grassroots communities across Pakistan, especially Sindh. GUL was ideated with insights from the communities that we work with. And the vision behind it was that we cannot go everywhere to provide that information on SRHR. So the vision behind GUL is to empower young girls, women, boys and men to access SRHR information so that the reproductive health outcomes for girls and women can be improved. My mother has been a very big inspiration in the work I do. Both my UGrad and Fulbright experience changed me in very different ways. And it was a time when I felt that I was finally learning something in higher education.